Dear Chair, the Indian government, led by our visionary Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, believes in the philosophy of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, which means inclusive development with everybody's participation and trust. As an extension of this philosophy is our endeavor to ensure Sabka Swasth, which means health for all. Our view on health has always been that health is a fundamental right of all humans and not a privilege. You will all agree with me that the right to health is fundamental to the right to life. India is committed to the health and well-being of each and every citizen of the country. The National Health Policy of 2017 and our ambitious Ayushman Bharat program stand testimony to this commitment. I am proud to highlight the fact that Ayushman Bharat is the largest health assurance scheme in the world, providing coverage of up to ₹500,000 per family per year for secondary and tertiary healthcare services. More than 500 million Indian citizens are benefiting from this program. Besides, strengthening existing services to address the unfinished agenda of reproductive, maternal, newborn and child health and communicable diseases, an expanded basket of services for primary care related to oral, mental, geriatric and palliative care is being provided. We are not leaving any stone unturned to realize the dream of universal health coverage. The services are sustained and supported by ensuring availability of free diagnostics and medicines coordinated by the public health system. We have leveraged technological advancements to ensure uninterrupted last mile delivery of services even during the pandemic. Across the world, after the pandemic raised its ugly head, people thought that with our density of population and given our resource constraint coupled with poor infrastructure, we would be among the worst hit nations of the world. And yet, we proved the world wrong. Throughout the pandemic, we had among the lowest mortality rates in the world. I can proudly claim that right from the onset of the pandemic, we did not lose even a minute. We utilized this time to upgrade the health infrastructure, build capacity of health care workers and ensure availability of requisite logistics in the country. It has been our long held belief that India has all the ingredients to provide a robust model for attaining universal health coverage which the entire world can emulate. We have been continually striving to set higher benchmarks for the world to follow. India has advanced the target to eliminate TB from the country by 2025, 5 years ahead of the global target. I am delighted to state before all of you that India has taken giant strides in the direction of our goal, and the world can very well benefit from following the roadmap being charted by us. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to address this esteemed audience. I hope this new year adds greater zeal to our efforts for attaining the ultimate goal of health for all.